Friend, today we will talk about the upcoming Redmi Note 60 Pro from Xiaomi, and this time compared to the previous phone, it's going to see significant updates like wireless charging, secondary display and 7000 mAh battery, and most attractive of all, its design. The frame is proper metal, AMOLED display on the front and the back side give the vibe of a proper flagship phone. Well, there is a lot more to come in the video, so stay tuned. My name is Avaneesh and you are watching Tech Hunger. Guys, here 3 cameras arranged in an iPhone style. The main lens is 200MP and a side mounted LED flashlight. You can record 4K and 8K video. Professional portrait photography is also possible, and yes, you can record up to 4K video with the front camera, which yields decent result. As for performance, the Redmi Note 16 Pro can be equipped with a Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 chipset. It has an Antutu score of around 1 million, so you will be able to comfortably handle, and there are also 8 and 12GB RAM option, and this phone is display size is 6.8 inch, which will improve your movie watching experience. And if you will notice here, the bezel have been significantly minimized, and this display offer a 144Hz refresh rate. And guys, this phone come with a massive battery, a whopping 7000 mAh. Now you can spend a long time with your phone, and this phone come with a proper wireless technology, which is a big deal in mid-range phone. A secondary display is a feature that's only available on a limited number of flagship phone, and the Redmi Note 16 Pro offer it. You can use almost all apps, and of course there is a rear selfie option. Friend, additionally Type-C port, dual speaker, IR remote and 3.5mm jack hole also available. Apart from this, hybrid SIM slot, optical fingerprint sensor, 5G network and IP69 certification. With all the feature, it will be priced at $350 and it will be launched in the market soon. That's all for now. You can tell me how you like the video in comments. I will see you on the next topic. Okay friend, thank you.